What's going on, guys? Another day in Minnesota. Finally got this thing back. As you guys saw in the other video, the clutch went out of it. Something with the clutch, I don't know, went out. And then also, this is big news because we got the pit bike wheels and tires back. And for my 250, because I got to sell that. So let's start throwing this thing together. Looks so sick. I just got these mocked up for right now. Well, they're pretty much on, but like I gotta throw the chain on, adjust the brake, I gotta throw the front brake cable on because it's aftermarket, it's longer, it's this one. So I gotta swap all this stuff over to here and then throw it on. So we got front brakes. Seat cover's still coming tonight. We're gonna throw that on. This thing's gonna look so sick. After a little bit of messing around with these drum brakes, I think I got it pretty good. Spins, doesn't make a noise. Hit it, stops. I don't know, it's good for now, but these drum brakes are a little weird to mess with. You just gotta keep tinkering with it. All that work, and I got this. I'm actually super happy though, it looks so sick. It looks so much different, it's weird, and the kickstand is even too short. Holy, this thing has not seen daylight in a minute. Still is mint though. Finally got this seat cover in. We're gonna open her up and see what it looks like. Just took it out of the packaging and it looks pretty sick to me. We're gonna start with tearing the seat off and then hopefully I'll have some staples to throw this thing on. All the staples in, and it turned out super sick, but we're gonna have to pound in some of these staples because with the stapling gun that we have, they don't go all the way into the plastic. So I'm just gonna take a punch with the hammer and just pound them all in so they don't come out. Wow, this thing looks super sick. It's from Thrill Seekers, and if you didn't notice, I actually put Thrill Seekers on the custom graphics to kind of match it. I think it turned out pretty good. I wanted to add some more black in it because I got a lot of red going on. But that's gonna be it for this video, and the thing's pretty much complete. I'll probably start riding it in the snow sometime. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.